So you've just completed an experiment in the EasyMax and the results are great. Now you need to get the same results at larger scale. This could take some time to figure out, transferring information to Dynochem workbooks and back to the lab. Well, now there's a faster way to do that. We call it the S88 XML Recipe Round Trip. Just export your recipe as XML from iControl. Then drag your successful recipe into the Dynochem mixing web app. Let the app read the equipment, materials, and procedure you've used. The app scales automatically to the EasyMax, but you can also select other equipment. Quickly find the agitator speed you need to operate in the EasyMax. Easily change the scale factor and work out the new conditions. It feels a bit like magic, doesn't it? That's because we're able to automatically interpret the machine-readable recipe and trends and link these with the material system and equipment calculations. Now it gets even better. You can download the new design recipe for the scaled experiment. Then use the integration between Scale-Up Suite and IC Data Center to drag the scale-up experiment into Data Center. Moments later, the experiment is available in your iControl for execution. All that remains is to read the operator message. And you're ready to run. That's the S88 XML Recipe Round Trip in the Mettler Toledo ecosystem. Watch this space as we build on this first integration to simplify applications like kinetic modeling and machine learning.